Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Solomon. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, we're just going to be walking around the city. I'm going to be showing you some tourist things. I was going to say tourist traps, but no tourist traps, just little different things. Don't really know where I'm going, just going for a walk right now. I actually just got off work, so I'm waiting for traffic to die down before I hop in the car and go home. So let's continue with this walk.
Put the red carpet out for you in a beautiful lady. She's happy. She's just being a tough girl. How you doing, Chief?
What's going on, man?
Mud, entertainment?
I hear that. See how this all goes. Everything looking good. Up, down, up, down. Not sure how long of a video I'm going to record, but I got it going exactly how I need it to be. But it seemed to be stable from what it looks like, at least I'm hoping so. So let's actually walk. I kind of want to go see about that protest. So that's probably what we may end up going to see in a moment. But I do have a microphone plugged into my cam right now, so I don't like the way it's looking. Okay, there it is. Better, looks like it's looking forward. So continue to walk with me and talk with me. At least that's how I feel. That's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna go off this way. I feel like I gotta really like pull it to turn it and stuff. Something I don't kind of like, but it is what it is. Let's go. Let's go. The other guy was funny. He said, "I'll let you record me for $100." Actually funny to me, to be honest with you. It is what it is. A good 10-15 minute video is all I need. You know, I feel like it's still turning on its own, which is kind of weird. I don't know if it's turning because of the weight and stuff like that of having something plugged in. Who knows? All right, let's see if we can hit that protest. Kinda. Maybe we'll walk through Millennium Park. We'll see. I got a long time because I'm waiting for traffic going south to die down. So let's just walk and talk. Walk and talk. Oh, come on. Any day now. Looks like there's a little bit of snow flurries too. Let's go. Let's hit it. Alright. Go this way and see if we can catch up with the protesters. Just to get some of that footage. Sorry for the non-smooth movements, as you can already see, and everything like that. So let's keep walking. But it does seem like a little bit of flurries. Not mad at it. Super good quality video directly from your iPhone. Like, that's kind of crazy to think in a way. How far these cameras have come. I actually don't even see the protests anymore. That was a swag check. These pigeons act like people. That's one thing I'll definitely tell you about the pigeons in large cities. I feel like they rarely fly away. It's like, let's just go this way. Want to look at these cool little ornaments or something like that right above it. So let's check them out. Interesting. It's like blown glass. It's crazy. I used to have a friend back in the day that was into blowing glass. Let's go this way. Oh, the bridge is open. Chase Promenade. This is a tourist trap. No, I'm joking. Actually, a tourist location that a lot of people go see. The Cloud Gate, I think it's called. Pretty cool. You can go under it, take photos, and look at your reflection and stuff like that. Actually, let's do it while we can. Kind of weird, kind of random, but let's go with it. So, look at that. Hey, just got off work too, so you can see my reflection. Kind of cool. All right, let's continue on this walk. In the summertime, right over here. Actually, let's go take a look. I'll show you instead of just telling you about it, right? Where's the fun in that? So here on this field, and I guess the auditorium, whatever you want to call it, they have like movies in the park here. They also have like I think a jazz fest, jazz and blues fest as well. It's usually free. People come out here, they sit on the lawn, have your drinks, snacks, eat, and listen to some music or watch a movie. It's pretty cool.